So that's my working environment. Firstly, let's just run code and to be sure that it works as it is supposed to work. It's our automation software opens Aviata and chooses predefined destinations for tickets. Then we searching for tickets. Now it choose first one. Actually, we even could find the lowest price, but it automatically choose the lowest and put it at first. And as you can see, our information document and other personal information are on these fields, all automated. So let's show code. It's our main driver code. As you can see, after we've applied page object model, it's far more less, and we just initializing an object which is in the hard instance of pick ticket class, and using its three methods: routing, searching, and picking, which will do all the work. And from this point we can navigate to what this code uses. So let's first go to pick ticket, and as you can see, it has only one method, which is not enough for our implementation. That means it have super class, parent class, which is responsible for other work that is not specifically for this class. And this class is we can in Python we don't use extends, we just give the parent class name it in our brackets, and it's called ticket search, and we can navigate to ticket search, and this class has far more methods, and we can see this from our driver code. Routing, it should be familiar for us, and searching also. So what did I do? The main thing is that we have elements, items, HTML tags that we refer in our automation, and we store it as txt file or Python file. It doesn't really matter, in our hash map, and hash map has key and value associated with it. Then we will refer to it in our program. So how we do when we use this data? Let's go to our click pass method, and as you can see, it has such kind of parameter called locator. Locator basically is the key to our dictionary, which will give us the XPath, and using the drivers method find element by XPath, we're referring to the elements dictionary and its key locator, which will be given in outside of this method. And other are conditions. Conditions: if we have sleep time for preventing code from crashing because of time delay, and we use sleep library, and sleep parameter is a seconds, its number, and keys are if we are sending keys, we can just use a conditional statement, and if keys exist, we can send them. But if not, sleep time or key are given, they will default their default will be none. And in searching, we are going to use this method. We call this several times. As you can see, we can see the difference that in our first implementation there was a lot of code. Even if we applied object-oriented paradigm, it doesn't prevented us from this long code, and that's why we should use this kind of methods, and delegating the process to methods if they are repetitive and can be done. We can just choose this way. And picking, it's after searching for tickets. We pick our ticket, and it has forms. Form contain of several fields with our personal information, and it's very similar to what we done with searching. It's a similar uses ClickPass, and just it's have more keys, because in ticket search there were like toggled list of options with setting keys. We just implemented it easily, but Selenium also have scrolling and other keys, but we don't have to use them when we can apply it in this way. So that's basically our basic driver. It's the last class that I didn't talk about. Actually, it's just a basic configuration. Only here we imported our web driver, and path, it's where our driver located, and we giving this path and navigating to this, and because our second parent class to pick ticket is ticket search, and it is applies this driver, we don't have to think about it. And that's all for my automation testing.